job, needed some work done to the corners and edges. It's that old 8-inch planks is what was on, is what's behind this, and it'd probably been on there 40 years, 30, 40 years. So it was looking pretty bad. They came to the house. Somebody sent them up here. They did all my siding. Crew was excellent. They really were. They were real safe. They did an excellent job cleaning up afterwards. They did excellent work. I was watching them do some of it. They didn't miss any steps or take any shortcuts. They did everything to a T. I sure would. Tell them get it. It's about the color we had it painted, maybe a little bit darker than what we had it painted, but it's excellent. It matches our carports and everything else real well. So looks excellent. We've had all kind of comments. Everybody's driven by and called us up or come down to find us and said, "What happened to you? Where'd you get your siding?" 4 or 5 days after they did it, I walked in the house and told my wife, "Man, it's windy out there." She said, "It's not windy." I said, "Yeah, it's really windy out there." "No, it's not. I don't hear it." So, does that answer your question?